Okie dokie. I'm out here next door to my house, checking on the property. I built this place 3 years ago. Total project time was 16 months, from the first scoop of dirt, moving trees, till I handed them the keys. It's 1,300 acres, and it's a beautiful place. Brother Jack and I, we actually started developing this place about 12 years ago. And, it's absolutely beautiful. Deer, turkey, bobcat, wild hogs, coyotes, you name it. It's all out here. I've had timber thinned out a couple of times. Sorry about the noise. I need to go ahead and straight blade this road because it's got rivulets in it like crazy. Thank God for the long cold season, because it takes 2 days to cut all this grass with an 8-foot mower deck. And, this is probably the single best project I've ever done. As you can see, it's well off the beaten path. And this is what you see when you first pull up. Now let me get the headset on and go from there. Okie dokie. I come out here once a week, sometimes twice a week, depending on what's going on, to check the place out, make sure things are okay, and that we haven't had any break-ins. At first glance, all you see is pole barn, but that's a serious fooler. Okay, this is what you see when you come inside the pole barn. And this is what's on the other side of the doors on the outside. This entryway gave me hell because I had to build that header because couldn't buy one. And the people who were willing to make one wanted 4 months lead time. As you can see, the place has got, that's the girls' room, boys' room. Master. You want to see a tile job from hell? This is a tile job from hell, okay? This tile job gave me fits. I'm telling you, gave me fits. And this ain't the worst of them. The floor is concrete, dyed, and epoxy coated. The guy that owns this is like a brother to me. We're real tight. He's a really great guy. But let me see what I do. This don't have bright light in here. I don't like bright lights in the showers, but this one was worse than the other. The ceiling is 8 inches higher, and these tile planks, you know, all you got to do is get one wrong and you're done. Everything is made by hand in here. This vanity and cabinet is made out of some 100-year-old wood, with the exception of the top, which also is made by hand. Everything by hand. And inside parking, as you can see. Even some of my older gun videos, you might recognize this bad boy here. But you got storage overhead. Place is insulated. It's almost weatherproof. As I had to walk through it anyway, I always do. And oh man, he drank up all the good beer. Turkey. Oh wait a minute, fling. Yeah, I'll have one of these. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. You've got a lake down there. It's about a 10-acre lake, L-shaped. I've got a flight, I think, out here. And I put this up for his kids and as a temporary quarters while they were setting up their hunting areas. And it's got everything. The only thing it doesn't have is a kitchen. Full bath, shower. It's all insulated. What the hell going on with the covers? I might have to ask him about that. This is not cool. Let's get the covers back on there. That was a temporary line, a temporary place for line in power, as I had this powered before we got the permanent power and the occupancy permit for that. Now power and water both come from there instead of the bypass that actually runs through the woods and comes up under the slab. This thing has 10 8x8 posts that are 6 foot in the ground. Those are the basic frame supports for that building. If that tree falls on this building, it's going to sit on the roof. Any one of these trees fall on the building, it's going to sit on the roof. All he had to tell me was that his kids were going to be sleeping in there, and the price went from $2,000 to $20,000 in a conversation. Because I told him I wasn't going to be building nothing temporary for his kids to be sleeping in and have a storm come by here and smack them or it. But it's really a beautiful place. I don't know if you can hear the peace, but the only thing you can hear out here is the breeze. This was fun to do. This was fun to do. This was the most enjoyable piece of work I ever did in my life. Absolutely, flat out, hands down. Because to sit in the shade out here at lunchtime and just chill, watch the deer, the turkey and the deer, everything passes around. We don't shoot out here in this area. We've got a 10-acre shooting range on the other side of those trees. It's about a half mile away. Like I said, it's 1,300 acres, and it's just absolutely beautiful. The place is called Ashworth Estates. And, yeah, it's one of my legacy jobs. Love it. Absolutely love it. So let me turn this off. Everything is up to snuff. I'm gonna get on next door to my place. I gotta check out the shop and see what I'm gonna sell and what I'm gonna move. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.